राम जय जय राम। जाकर नाम सुनत शुभ होए, गाकर नाम सुनत शुभ होए, मोरे जिहरा प्रभु सोए। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। Hearing, having been announced that his son has been born, he becomes lost in ecstasy, and his heart becomes filled with love. His body is trembling. He doesn't know how to compose himself. He gets up and he sits back again. Dasharatha was just overwhelmed when he heard the news that child had been born. Not one but four. Jinka naam sunane se hi kalyan hota. Hearing the name of the Lord, he said, it brings such blessedness to one. Wahi Prabhu mere ghar aaye hai. That Bhagavan brings happiness by just hearing his name to one who is devoted, who loves Bhagavan, who has faith in him. Today, how incredible, how wonderful it is that Bhagavanji has assumed the form within the four walls of my home. Dasharatha became utterly happy, utterly blessed. He was just overwhelmed. Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki jai. Hari Om Tat Sat, Tat Sat, Tat Sat, Hari Om. Devotees, let us all clasp hands and let us begin the adoration of Bhagavan Shri Ram. Om Ramaya Namah. Om Ramaya Namah. Om Ramaya Namah. Neelam Bhuja Shamala Komalangam Sita Samayo Bhagam Pandamahasayaka Japam Namami Ramam Raghuvansham. Namami Ramam Raghuvansham. Ramo Rajamunihi Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhage. Ramena Vihata Nishacharachamo Ramaya Tasmai Namah. Ramanasi Purayanam Parakaram Ramasya Dasosmyam. Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me Bho Ram Ramodhara. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Raghunathaya Adaya Sitaya Patye. Shri Ramacharano Manasa Smarami. Shri Ramachandra Charano Vachasa Grihnami. Shri Ramachandra Charano Shirasa Nami. Shri Ramachandra Charano Sharanam Prapathe. Shri Ram Ram Raghunandan Ram Ram. Shri Ram Ram Bhartagraj Ram Ram. Shri Ram Ram Ranakarkash Ram Ram. Shri Ram Ram Sharanam Bhav Ram Ram. Ramam Raghuvaram Shamam Raghavendram Ramapati. Rasanandam Ramanandam Vande Mangala Mandiram. Raghavam Ramachandram Cha Ravanarindramapadi. Rajivalotanam Ramam Tam Vande Raghunandanam. Apadapa Karataram Apadamapaharatam Dataram Sarvasampadam. Lokabhiramam Shriramam Bhuyo Bhuyo Namanyaham. Om Ramaya Namah. Namo Swadanta सहस्रपादा किशोरवाहवे सहस्रनामे पुरुषाय शाश्वते सहस्रनामे सहस्रकोटि युगधारिणे नमः। ओम ध्यानार्थे पुष्पांजलि समर्पयामि। श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। And devotees, let us welcome Bhagavan Ji in this form of little baby Ram. And let us not only welcome him in this parana that we have for him, but let us welcome Bhagavan Ji within the confines of our heart. Hari Om Sahasra Shireka Purukah Sahasrakah Sahasrapat Sabhumi Gum Sarvadasvitvatya Tadvishta Shangulam. Om Avahanarve Pushpam Samarpayami। श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। ओम भूकैवेदं सर्वं यद्भूतं यद्भाव्यं उतामृतत्वशेषानो यदन्यदन्यनातिरोहते आसनार्थे समर्पयामि। श्री रामाय नमः। श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। Will you just take this flower down? Offer your flower in the thali first. And bring that chauki, put it in front. We will bring the thali with Bhagavan Ji and we are going to bathe Bhagavan to his adoration. Hari Om Ramaya Namaha. Om Ramaya Namaha. Take out his necklace and his crown. Om Ramaya Namaha. And we will take water and wash his feet. Hari Om एतावानस्य महिमातो जायांच पुरुषः साधुस्य विश्रा भूतानि कृपादस्यामृतं हि गङ्गोदकं निर्माञ्च सर्वसौगन्धं संयुतं पादप्रक्षालनार्थाय कर्तव्ये प्रतीतिभिरां पादयो पादं समर्पयामि। श्रीरामाय नमः। Wash his hands now. कृपा दुर्गम दक्षुकः पादो स्नेहा भवत्पुनः अतो हि त्वं यज्ञामस्ता धनान तुमे अभि बन्धपुष्पाक्षतरुयुक्तं अर्घं सम्पादितं मया ज्ञानार्घ्यमयागतं प्रसन्नो वरदो भवः सूर्यं समर्पयामि। श्रीरामाय नमः। Wash his face now. ततो विराजदायतो विराजो अधिपूर्णः तदातो अत्यरीच्यत प्रसाद भूमिमसुपुरः श्रीकर्पूरेण सुगन्धेन वासितं साधु शीतलं तोयमाचमनीयार्थं विहाय जगदीश मुख्याग्निजलं समर्पयामि। श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। Take the lota and bathe Bhagavan. Om Tasmat Yajat Sarvahutah Sambritam Pikadajam. Water. Pashun Sanchakre Vayavya Naranya Gramyaste. Om Namo Bhagavate Ramaya Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Ramaya Namaha. Om Samangalam Samarapayami. Mandavinyasilvavari Sarvapapaham Sumam Adhikam Kalpitam Vyasanatam Prati Jivata. And we pray Bhagavan with milk now. Om Payah Prithiyam Payo Padi Payudiyam Darshe Payura Payah Padi Pradita Santubhayam Kamudhenu Samudrutam Sarvitham Jivanam Param अर्पितं वैष्णवं समर्पयामि। श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। And then we have yogurt, dahi. We give Bhagavan dahi. Dahi kamno akarikam vishura vasyavadinah surabhinha parasaprana ayu gumjitarikat payasastu samudbhutam madhuranam sachiprabham yadharitam maradeva nanatam pradipihada shri dahi samarpayami. Om Namo Bhagavate Ramaya
Hare
Hari Om Tasmat Yagyat Sarvahutarikah Samani Jagire Chanda Gumsi Jagire Tasmat Yajush Tasmad Jayat Shita Atoshna Santranam Lajjaya Rakshanam Param Dehalam Karanam Vasram Atah Shantim Prayakshame Vasram Samarpayami Shri Ramaya Namah. Sprinkle the water in front of it. Water. Vasram Samarpayami Achmanyam Jalam Samarpayami Shri Ramaya Namah. Upavasram Prayachami Devaya Paramatmane Bhaktya Samarpitam Deva Prasiddha Parameshwar Upavasram Samarpayami. Sprinkle with water again. Ashvinyam Jalam Samarpayami. And then give Bhagavan his name. Hari Om Tasmad Shva Ajayanta Eke Shobhayadata Gavoha Jagire Tasmad Jata Ajavayah Namaviskantu Bhiryuktam Trigunam Devatamayam Upavitam Maya Dattam Grihan Jagadishwara Achmiyam Jalam Samarpayami. Sprinkle with the water. Yagyopavitam Samarpayami Shri Ramaya Namah. Put Chandan. Hari Om Tam Yagyam Bahiti Prokshan Purukam Jatam Agratah Tena Deva Ayajanta Sadhya Rita Yashkaye. Om Chandanam Samarpayami Shri Ramaya Namah. Shri Ramaya Namah. Do we have sesame seeds with? Shri Ramaya